Hola.
Welcome to Miami, the Magic City. Named after the Miarimes, a Native American tribe, Miami is not just a city. It's a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and innovation. Get ready to immerse yourself in a metropolis where sparkling beaches meet lush green parks, and where Art Deco architecture mingles seamlessly with modern skyscrapers. This dynamic city is also home to the largest cruise port in the world, and boasts a diverse culinary scene that reflects its rich cultural mosaic. Pack your sunscreen and floppy hats as we embark on a sun-soaked stroll through some of downtown Miami's coolest spots. It's going to be a Miami adventure like no other. Filled with picturesque views, historical landmarks, and a splash of that quintessential Miami flair.
Vamos.
First stop, Miami Riverwalk. Starting our journey along the scenic Miami Riverwalk, this urban trail is like the Magic City's lifeblood coursing through its veins. Stretching from Brickell Key to downtown Miami, the Riverwalk offers picturesque views of the city's impressive skyline juxtaposed against the serene Miami River. The Miami Riverwalk offers you an intimate but dynamic look at Miami's lifeline. From multi-million-dollar yachts gracefully sailing by to the imposing skyscrapers standing sentinel, it's like a moving postcard of the city's finest moments. Public art installations and historical markers punctuate this scenic pathway, telling stories of Miami's past and its journey to becoming the bustling metropolis it is today. If you're lucky, you might spot manatees or dolphins enjoying the calm waters. Perfect for a jog, bike ride, or a leisurely stroll, the Riverwalk is a must-visit to truly appreciate Miami's blend of urban and natural splendor. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Miami Riverwalk, Bayfront Park awaits. This sprawling 32-acre urban oasis is where the serene green spaces meet the sparkling blue waters of Biscayne Bay. Whether you're looking to unwind, exercise, or engage in some people watching, Bayfront Park has something for everyone. Bayfront Park isn't just any park. It's Miami's front yard. With lush lawns, a serene bayfront beach, and ample shaded spots for picnicking, it's your urban escape with a panoramic water view to boot. Besides its natural beauty, the park is home to several iconic landmarks. Admire the electronically controlled Pepper Fountain, chill at the Tina Hills Pavilion, check out the filming location of The Last Scene in Miami Vice, or reflect by the Torch of Friendship, a memorial symbolizing Miami's diverse cultural ties. From open-air concerts to yoga sessions, Bayfront Park's calendar is always buzzing. Next, we saunter over to Bayside Marketplace, just a short walk from Bayfront Park. This vibrant shopping destination is where Miami's energy pulses most vividly. With a mix of over 150 shops, eateries, and entertainment options, this is where you can indulge in retail therapy and grab something for lunch. You'd enjoy your meal here. After all, it's as much about the atmosphere as it is about the shopping. Bayside Marketplace is Miami's own version of retail heaven. Picture a lively open-air mall where you can shop till you drop, then refuel with scrumptious bites without missing a beat of the live music echoing through the air. Browse unique local boutiques, dine in waterfront restaurants, or simply enjoy a boat tour departing right from the marketplace. You'll even find iconic landmarks like the Hard Rock Cafe with its gigantic guitar sign. Whether it's a casual stroll or an all-out shopping spree, Bayside Marketplace offers a little slice of Miami's bustling heart. Heading north along Biscayne Boulevard, your next thrilling destination awaits. Awaken your inner nerd at the Phillip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. This ultra-modern facility is a beacon of educational entertainment, blending the wonders of the ocean, the sky, and the mind. Prepare to be wowed at Frost Science. Housing a massive 500,000-gallon aquarium and a planetarium that feels like a journey to the stars, this museum is as engaging as it is educational. Discover interactive exhibits that explore everything from space travel to the complexities of the human brain. The Feathers to the Stars exhibit will transport you from dinosaurs to spacecraft, while the 3-level aquarium lets you peer into the depths of the world's oceans. No visit to Miami would be complete without engaging in this fascinating scientific odyssey. To round off your cultural expedition, head over to Perez Art Museum Miami, a gem of contemporary art right on Biscayne Bay and beside the Phillip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. This museum is an absolute visual treat, both for its bold architecture and its mind-blowing artwork. Step into Perez Art Museum and you are entering a world where modern design meets breathtaking views. Sculptures hang from the ceilings, waterfalls ensconce the exterior, and the art inside. Simply transformative. The museum features ever-evolving exhibits by renowned international artists, complemented by its picturesque location. Wander through the stunning outdoor sculpture garden or sip a coffee while soaking in views of the bay. Be sure to explore the museum's educational programs and interactive offerings. Perez Art Museum isn't just a visit. It's an experience of artistic immersion. And that's a wrap for the Miami adventure. From the tranquil waters of the Miami Riverwalk to the contemporary marvels at the Perez Art Museum, we hope this journey sparks joy and curiosity. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.